In this video, you will learn how to fix the Wizz app if it is not working, crashing, or not loading. Many users face these issues, and it can be frustrating. I will guide you through some simple steps to help you get the app running smoothly again. To start troubleshooting, first open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once in Settings, tap General. Now, look for iPhone Storage and tap on it. This section provides an overview of all apps installed on your device along with their storage usage. Scroll through the list until you locate the Wizz app. Once found, tap on it. Here's a useful feature: tap on Offload app. After offloading, tap Reinstall app. This will reinstall Wizz without losing any personal settings or data. Now that you've reinstalled it, check if this resolves your issue. In case offloading didn't fix things, a full reinstallation might be necessary. Start by finding the Wizz app icon on your home screen. Next, press and hold down on the Wizz app icon until options appear. From these options, select Remove app. Tap Delete app. Then confirm by selecting Delete once more. This ensures that all traces of the old installation are removed from your device. With the app deleted, it's time to reinstall it fresh from scratch. Open up the Apple App Store. Once inside, use the search function at the top of your screen to type in Wizz. Locate it in search results and tap on the cloud icon to install it back onto your device. After downloading completes successfully, open up Wizz again. Hopefully now everything should be functioning as expected. And there you have it. These straightforward steps should help resolve any issues with getting your Wizz app back up and running smoothly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.